Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will discuss about the element. Element is the simplest form of the matter. It is a pure substance which consists of same type of atoms and cannot be changed into simple substances by ordinary chemical reactions. एलिमेंट्स मौदा की सबसे सादा शक्ल होती है, सिर्फ एक ही किस्म के एटम्स पर मुश्तमिल होती है. It cannot be broken down into simpler substances by ordinary chemical reactions. या आम chemical reaction के जरिए सादा अशिया में तब्दील नहीं किया जा सकता. एलिमेंट्स जो हैं वो केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज और फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज की बुनियाद पर मुख्तलिफ अक़साम में तकसीम किया जा सकता है. अब हम बढ़ते हैं टाइप्स ऑफ एलिमेंट्स. केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज दैट डिस्क्राइब हाउ सब्सटेंसेस रिएक्ट विद अदर सब्सटेंसेस. केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज जो है वो ये बयान करती हैं कि एक शय जो है वो दूसरी शय के साथ किस तरह रिएक्शन करती है. On the basis of chemical properties, elements are classified into metals, non-metals, metallites, and noble gases. Metals lose electron easily, form positive ions, good conductors of heat and electricity. Example: iron, copper, sodium, magnesium, calcium, cesium. Non-metals gain electron easily, poor conductor of electricity, and form negative ions or anions. Examples: oxygen, sulfur, carbon, nitrogen, bromine, chlorine, fluorine, वगैरह वगैरह. Noble gases, these are chemically inactive gases or elements because their outer shell is completely filled with the electrons. Properties: very less reactive, colorless and odorless gases, stable elements. They examples: helium, neon, argon, krypton and xenon. Metallites show properties of both metals and nonmetals. Examples are silicon, boron. Metallites are semiconductors. When they are heated, their conductivity may increase. Their properties are between metals and nonmetals. Easy concept. Physical properties related to shape, state, density, and color. Chemical properties related to reactions, electron gain loss, formation of compound. Short trick. Physical, we can observe. हम क्या चीज देख रहे हैं, ये physical. और chemical, how substances react to each other, form a new substance. That is chemical. I hope you have understood these topics clearly. Keep learning and stay connected for more easy lectures and conceptual videos. Keep learning and stay connected for more easy lectures and conceptual videos. If you like this lecture, then don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and also suggest any improvements or topics you want to upcoming lectures. Thank you, students. Allah Hafiz.